nobody will know enough.
I hear you, Trevor, but I still not like the idea of sending her on a cab by herself.
Understand completely, you know. But who don't do it if me never know the person?
Just stay on the phone with him till him reach you.
You just have to come with her, you know.
And who would have stay around the place?
Margaret could have sit in for the day.
You hear how Margaret talk?
She's a rural girl. About that disrespect her, how she talk to me.
Babe, that's not what I'm doing. But interacting with guests, it takes a special skill. Until she's trained in that area, I will deal with it.
Okay.
Have fun with your doctor. We'll talk later. Hold on. Hold on, babe.
Not no, Camille. Tell me something. Them get up already?
I not see them yet.
I'm gonna go try fast in them business, you know.
Okay, sir. Later.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Mr. Wallace?
So what is now? An official arrest?
No. It's more like a check-in.
Seems more like spying. How do you know somebody there, so?
Honestly, you're still under surveillance.
Under surveillance? From which organization again?
The same inactive agency that you love to talk about.
Or the same inactive agent who keeps taking things personally? Look, Bubbles. If a closure you want, you have it. We even. Me shoot you, you shoot me. We square.
The only difference is, when you shoot me, it was malicious. Me shoot you to save your life.
Malicious. So I guess the intentions of you and your friend and midnight to come after me. Want somebody to drug me. That was honorable. Or that was to save my life.
You realize what would have happened if me did allow you to shoot Miranda Suarez, don't it? And everything else will happen around you.
Just like our cousin, it was either going to be me or she. And trust me, it was going to be she.
And that would have given you a life sentence. 2 snipers, Tony Esperanza. Me never ever stand up there and make you get more blood by your hand with Miranda Suarez. Carlton, you're not an agent. You're not an officer of the law. If them things here come up back, them will haunt you. This will happen to you after you take some time and just talk in. Because Carlton, if you continue upon the war party, it not gonna help you. You have to make me help you get rid of some of them something.
And why would you do that, Bubbles?
For old time's sake. You realize how important you are to society? You have created more low-income houses than the government has. That's the person that we need. Look, your enemies them gone. There's no more need to fight.
There's always a need to fight, Bubbles. Or better yet, there's always a need to prepare for a fight.
You know, Carlton, from the time I met you till now, you're always fighting or preparing for a fight. I think you need to let that go and give something else a chance. Like love. I can see the atmosphere is full of it. Celine looks like she checks for you a lot. And I see the feeling is mutual.
It's funny you should say that, Bubbles. Because even our love, you have to fight for it.
I'd call that a good fight. And you've won.
I've won. So I guess this is my trophy.
Well, call it your battle scar. Because most definitely, I can still feel mine.
Okay, Bubbles. So you're saying that Celine, being a super agent, it's okay for her to now leave and just ride off in the sunset and live happily ever after? With no ramifications?
No. Carlton, when the agency returns to its active duties, I'll be the one in charge. Yeah. So there'll be no issue if she decides to come back or don't come back. We won't be after her, and we definitely won't be after you.